What we're going to do today is we're going to set up Photoshop to build graphics for the Westfield State Television Studio or broadcast in general. I'm working on a Windows machine here. It's identical to a Mac, so you should be able to follow along with whatever you've got. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Create New. I'm going to have this template window open up. We're going to move to Film and Video, and you want this HD TV 1080p. The TV studio at Westfield State is 1080i. The P and I is irrelevant in this case for working in Photoshop. So selecting this, what it does is it gives us a width of 1920, a height of 1080, resolution of 72, all things that we want. My preference for background contents is to change this to transparent. It'll just give you a blank canvas to work with if you want it to be white or black or whatever color you want. You can do that. I find transparency easier just because generally you're making something that has transparency, so it saves you a step. One thing to not overlook is this color profile. I'm not going to get into color space or color management or anything like that, but basically when we're setting up for TV, you want to use this Rec 709 Gamma 2.4. You could get away with this sRGB2, they're almost identical. But if you know it's going to be used in the TV studio, use Rec 709. It'll look fine on YouTube, it'll look fine on your phone, so just pick that. So we're going to go ahead and hit Create. And so it opens up just a plain 1920 by 1080 frame. But the benefit of using this template in Photoshop is that if you go up to View and Show Guides, it'll turn on pre-built title safe margins so that your text and your design is within title safe so it doesn't get cut off. So I'm just going to quickly make a little lower third graphic here. Make it blue. Okay, and so now if you want to save it with this transparency, what you do is you go to File, Save As, and save it as a PNG, which will keep the transparency. And we're going to go to here. Let's call it lower third. And save. And you don't have to worry about doing the interlacing. The studio will handle all of that. So you just hit OK. And that's it. That's a quick way to set up a little template for you to design your graphics and make sure everything's inside title safe.